There's three things that make my birdhouses unique. One of them is design. I went online and I haven't found any mid-century modern birdhouses that even come close to mine in looks, but mine are a little more eccentric than that. The second thing is the quality of the woodwork. I've been doing it a long time, and time on tools. I've been building a lot of houses, and every house I try to make a little bit better than the last house. So I'm always striving, just to make that house perfect and just make it look really good. And the third thing is the materials. I try to use the best materials, the most interesting woods, try to build it in such a way that they last a long time. A lot of the houses that if you look at them, you can say, well, that was a camper. I saw a camper that looked just like that. Or that looks like the gas tank of a Harley Davidson Sportster. And it's all those kind of mid-century modern kind of curvy looks that they use to build stuff that I really, really go for. A couple of things that I really enjoy about my birdhouses is when, after I finish building the house, get to the point where I'm gonna put on a finish. The house then, before I do that, is pretty dull. You can't really tell what you've got. But as soon as you put that coating, that finish on there, and the wood just pops out, that is exciting. As soon as I start putting those brush strokes on there, that makes it all worthwhile. And the other thing I do is that I'm able to donate a lot of birdhouses to charitable organizations. And the feedback I get from people that are so nice, about when I send them a house and stuff, and they just tell me how much everybody liked it, and that makes me feel really good. But there's X amount that I wanted to be able to build and get out there just to have a name for myself, a couple thousand or so, and I think I'll be able to do that, and this is going to help, being on getting the award.